Overview of Roe v. Wade and its overturning. Roe v. Wade. Original decision. Roe v. Wade was a landmark decision by the U.S. Supreme Court in 1973. The court ruled that the Constitution of the United States protects a pregnant woman's liberty to choose to have an abortion without excessive government restriction. Trimester framework. The court's decision established a framework based on trimesters. First trimester. The state could not regulate abortion beyond requiring that the procedure be performed by a licensed doctor. Second trimester. The state could regulate abortion in ways reasonably related to maternal health. Third trimester. The state could prohibit abortions except when necessary to protect the life or health of the mother. Late-term abortions. Misconceptions. Roe v. Wade did not explicitly allow for the killing of babies after they are born. The decision focused on the stages of pregnancy, allowing states to impose restrictions or bans on abortions in the third trimester, provided exceptions were made for the life or health of the mother. Regulations. Many states have regulations on late-term abortions, with various definitions of what constitutes late-term and under what circumstances these abortions can be performed. Overturning Roe v. Wade. Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. On June 24, 2022, the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in the case of Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. The decision held that the Constitution does not confer a right to abortion, thus returning the authority to regulate abortion to the individual states. Trump's influence. Former President Donald Trump played a significant role in the overturning of Roe v. Wade by appointing 3 conservative justices to the Supreme Court, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett. Their appointments shifted the balance of the court, leading to a majority that ultimately decided to overturn Roe. Roe v. Wade, 1973. Legal context. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Jane Roe, a pseudonym for Norma McCorvey, establishing a woman's legal right to an abortion under the 14th Amendment's right to privacy. The decision invalidated many state laws that had restricted access to abortions, effectively legalizing abortion nationwide under certain conditions. Trimester framework. First trimester. Women had the absolute right to an abortion. Second trimester. States could regulate abortions but only to protect the health of the mother. Third trimester. States could ban abortions, but exceptions had to be made to protect the life or health of the mother. Late-term abortions. Roe v. Wade did not grant unrestricted rights to late-term abortions. States could prohibit these except when the mother's life or health was at risk. Misunderstandings often arise around this aspect, but the ruling was clear that third trimester abortions could be restricted by states. Overturning Roe v. Wade, 2022. Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. The case challenged a Mississippi law that banned most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. The Supreme Court's decision to uphold this law effectively overturned Roe v. Wade. The ruling stated that the Constitution does not guarantee the right to an abortion, thus allowing individual states to set their own abortion laws. Role of Trump administration. President Donald Trump's appointments of Justices Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett created a conservative majority on the Supreme Court. This majority was crucial in the decision to overturn Roe, as these justices supported the view that abortion rights should be determined by individual states rather than at the federal level. Implications of overturning Roe. State laws. With Roe overturned, states now have the power to regulate or ban abortions as they see fit. Some states have enacted restrictive laws, while others have passed laws to protect abortion rights. Rights and protections. The debate centers around the balance between a woman's right to choose and the rights of the unborn. Proponents of overturning Roe argue it protects unborn babies' right to life, while opponents view it as a loss of women's rights and autonomy over their bodies. If you found this explanation insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed political analyses and updates. Your support helps me continue to bring you valuable content.